Good evening and happy Friday. I'm Krista Kirkjian with a look at your forecast for the weekend. The last couple days of 2023 appear to be wet. We are tracking some rainfall for you along with some really high surf yet again. So wave heights today do look okay compared to yesterday, but we are expecting things to really pick up yet again tomorrow, especially during high tide. So we have several high surf alerts in effect. A high surf advisory will be in place until 10 p.m. tomorrow night. This is for all three counties in the area. So all beaches, we are talking about flooding. We've already seen some impacts from yesterday, and we could see some dangerous rip currents out there. So you are all advised to avoid the water, to avoid the beaches, to avoid any parking lots nearby, because we could see some of those waves really get into those areas too. So we have a coastal flood warning in effect as well, also set to expire tomorrow night at 10 p.m. This is again for all three counties in the area. We are expecting waves between 10 to 15 feet, local sets up to 20 feet. So the South Coast was just upgraded to this warning as well. It was at an advisory level yesterday, but we are seeing really dangerous conditions, elevated surf, and just hazardous marine conditions as we approach your Saturday as well. So rain chances in the forecast for the next couple days. Like I mentioned, we have some unsettled weather for the last few days of 2023. So here's a look at our future track radar. Into 9 p.m. tonight, we can see a few light showers into the area, especially over the South Coast. But take a look at this. We do have that moderate to heavy cell that will begin to move into the area. Now, the good news with this system is that it's fast moving, not staying in one place too long by any means. And we are expecting it to be in and out of the area by overnight. So by 3:30 a.m., it will be over Ventura County. It will lose power as it continues to move southward. Into 3:30 a.m., we are seeing some light rainfall still over the South Coast. Heavier band of moisture expected to exit the area by tomorrow morning. By around noon tomorrow, we can still see a few scattered showers here and there. We have some cloud cover that will linger as well. Then some rain chances return yet again late Sunday into Monday. We are expecting some light rainfall, but currently anywhere between 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch according to the National Weather Service. So from this first system, we could get some measurable rain, but nowhere near what we just endured last week. So here's a look. This model shows about an inch in Morro Bay. However, we can see a little less than that for the South Coast and for Ventura County as well. Temperature wise, it's going to be on the cool side. You definitely want to have some layers for the next several days. Incorporate some layers into your New Year's Eve outfit as well. We are expecting upper 60s for both Santa Barbara and Montecito. Inland areas, temps overnight in the mid 40s, low 60s in Buellton and Santa Ynez tomorrow, 61 degrees in Santa Maria as well, 60 in Paso, low 60s expected for the Central Coast. Overnight conditions in the 40s and 50s. And here's a look at Ventura County, 63 degrees expected in Ojai and 64 in Ventura. Stay safe and have a happy new year.